remember, it won't download that Jonas Brothers system. Yeah. Right when it gets to Jonas Brothers, SOS, it's like error -69. So it says...
Jeez, this thing zooms in so close.
I know.
I can read those words. Turn the paper around. It says... iTunes displays a -69 error when syncing iPod.
I should have gotten...
You can see the bumps on Rebecca's head.
You can see them right now. See what?
I can see boogers in Rebecca's nose.
Oh, that is gross. She don't have any boogers in her nose. Hello, where are these boogers? Her nose is too small to even see up there. I can't wait to see Twilight. I haven't seen it since the first day. What a fruit, huh?
My face cleared up a lot.
You
Look at the fire.
Look at your spaces.
Went to the same dermatologist, that's why. Dr. Couch.
Look at the fire.
There's itches now.
You don't have many blackheads. Remember that you used to?
I still do.
Not as much.
And all the bumps around the irritation spot is from me like getting out blackheads.
Rebecca was hungry. Look at it. It's all gone. Where does she put it all? I wonder.
You're never
Courtney.
gonna talk little porky, okay?
Hey.
I know I'm fat. Jeez,
This is
chill.
really good stuff, though. Actually, I'm kind of full of it. So, like, seriously, I don't know if I should bump this.
I'll wait till it's cold later on and then I drink it.
I can make YouTube videos now.
Yes, you can.
That's hot. That's hot. Give me a napkin.
YouTube videos.
The bread was...
I could put this on YouTube.
I could put my... Oh, if only I had this 3 days ago when it snowed.
Yeah, I know.
God, what a freak.
Double young song nose teeth on the front would be up in nose job. Do
We need to go to McDonald's and do that.
What?
Isn't that McDonald's? Yeah. We could do a Taco Bell wrap.
Or I can go to Starbucks.
Yes, we could.
Do the... I can go to Starbucks. I dare you to do that right now. I can go to Starbucks or anywhere that doesn't sell tacos. You can be like, can I help you? Not unless you got tacos.
We should go do it.
Boy, come on, do it right now. I was gonna do it at Starbucks. Because Shelly was like, they're like, can I help you? I was like, not unless you got tacos.